Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and immediate actions. Open the syllabus and mark topics by weight so you focus where points matter most. Next, collect the textbook, lecture slides, 2 solid practice papers, and runnable code examples so you can both read and do. Once done, set a weekly schedule with 90-minute study blocks and 1 timed practice exam per week. This creates rhythm and measures progress so you avoid last-minute cramming. You now move into active practice. Work through processes, scheduling, and memory management problems while writing small programs so theory becomes tangible. Make diagrams for algorithms and trace execution step by step. Visual links reduce confusion when topics overlap. Once comfortable, apply spaced repetition with flashcards scheduled at 3-day, 7-day, and 14-day intervals to lock retention, and run timed mixed-topic quizzes. You finish by simulating the full exam 2 times in realistic conditions. Treat them as real so nerves and pacing are exposed. After each simulation, categorize every mistake as concept, calculation, or time management, and target the largest category first. Make sure to polish quick reference notes for last-minute review and practice a rapid checklist for common algorithms. If things go wrong, step back and simplify the problem. Rederive basics slowly to reveal where understanding broke down and rebuild from there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.